Hi everyone, this is Pallavi Anand. Today is class 6. Today's topic is I want to do a business management course. Question: what kind of skills are needed to become a manager? Listen to the entire video and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Introduction: Max is working with the current company for more than 5 years now. Max always had a dream to become a manager, and he feels that it's important to do a business management course for this position. Max feels he does not have the experience to handle a business. He's comparing himself with his school friends. He feels his friends who have done a business management course have become managers now. He also feels that if he does this course, he will become a manager too, and his salary will increase as well. Let's see what Max does.
Pal, what do you think about doing a business management course?
Max, I have heard about it, but I'm not interested.
I think it is necessary to do this course.
Why is it necessary?
My friends have become managers.
Your friends have become managers? What do you mean by that, Max?
My school friends who did the business management course.
What does that mean?
My school friends who have done this course have become managers.
Oh, is it so?
Yes, pal, I'm confident.
Max, you mean you will become a manager only if you do this course?
Yes, I feel so.
I do not think so.
You have also been with this company for more than 5 years now.
Yes, Max, it's almost 6 years now that I've been working with them.
So you should have been a manager by now.
I agree, Max.
So did you think, why have you not become a manager by now?
I never gave it a thought.
I think because you also did not do this business management course.
I do not think so, Max.
Then you should have become a manager by now.
I never run after positions, Max.
But we have good experience. We should become managers.
We will when there is an opening for the post.
I think because we do not have business management experience, we have not yet become managers.
I really don't think so, Max.
Pal, you remember one of our colleagues, Ramesh, with 2 years experience in this company?
What about him?
He was promoted to manager 6 months ago.
I do remember, but he was capable, Max.
He had done this business management course.
Oh, I did not know that.
That is why he was made manager within 2 years in this company.
But he was shifted to another city, right?
Yes.
I think to become a manager, one needs the relevant skills.
We have the skill set and experience, pal.
I agree, but one should be open to change, Max.
Change? What do you mean?
Would you be flexible to join another city if you become a manager?
No, pal, I have my parents to look after.
So that's the basic reason.
That cannot be the reason.
To be a manager, first quality is to be open to change.
I agree, but one also needs a business management degree.
No, a degree is just an additional qualification.
What do you mean, pal?
Just having a degree is of no use if you do not have the relevant skill set.
I don't agree, pal.
To be a manager, one has to have the leadership qualities and take additional responsibilities.
What additional responsibilities?
Apart from the routine job, one has to take additional responsibilities.
You mean just working sincerely does not help?
Being sincere is important, but only routine work will not help.
Pal, you mean one should be open to learning and doing new tasks?
Yes, Max, that's correct. You should also be able to manage a team and build good relationships with team members.
But what do you think about business management course then?
It's okay to do it, Max, but more important is to develop your managerial skills.
So, I will have to be flexible and start taking new responsibilities.
Yes.
Thank you, pal. Nice discussing with you.
You're welcome, Max.
Now I will give it a thought.
Sure. Summary. Max was concerned that without a business management course, he will not be able to become a manager. But after a discussion with Tal, Max also got the clarity why he did not become a manager in this company till now. He understood that while doing a course is an additional degree, but he has to develop his managerial skills to become a manager. He cannot only do the routine job at work, but has to take on additional responsibilities too and be flexible to change. He understood that even if he had 5 years of experience in this company, he was only doing the same tasks all these years. Max seems confident now and is ready to take up new tasks. Friends, English is about listening carefully and responding. Catch the important words, listen to the sentences carefully, listen to these conversation classes repeatedly, listen to the pronunciation of words too. Learn English with me, Pallavi Anand, through our day-to-day conversations. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any class. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy learning!